What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, we are going to review the SolDex DEX. Okay, so welcome to SolDex DEX, the next generation DEX built on the high performance Solana blockchain. At the heart of the SolDex DEX ecosystem lies the native Solana X or SolX token, a crucial component that fuels the platform. With a fixed total supply of 10 billion SolX tokens, the SolX token aims to deliver sustainable value and growth for its holders. So today's video, we are going to review SolX. Currently, they are in pre-sale stage. All right, so we got 5 days, 10 hours, 9 minutes, and 15 seconds to join this pre-sale stage. I'm gonna click on the pre-sale link and I'm gonna show you what's happening. But before we go into that, let me just scroll down and show you what's up. Okay, so the project, so the owners, the team behind this project is KYC. This guy right here. All right, so he's the owner of this project, so he's fully KYC. He also has a YouTube channel. So if you want to know more about SolDex DEX, go and check this video out because it explains everything you're supposed to know. All right. The project has been audited. So if you want to check the audit, click over here in the audit. We'll take you to this page where you can find the audits. Okay. No issues at all. So everything is clean. And we can find more information about the tokenomics. Okay, scrolling further down, we can see that the soft cap is 50 Sol. Okay, and it will be fair for everyone. So there will be no minting. So the SolX tokens will have a fixed supply of 10 billion tokens, and that's it. Okay, so after the fair launch, 51% of the total raise will be added to liquidity automatically at the end of the pre-sale. And over here we can find the tokenomics as well. Okay, so we can see the tokenomics distribution. Okay, so the pre-sale will have 45% of the total token supply. Liquidity will have 22%. Staking rewards will have 30%. Team and marketing will have only 3%. And the soft cap is 50 SOL tokens. Okay, and over here we can see the token utility. Is going to be a native DEX token. So if you are familiar with PancakeSwap on Binance Smart Chain, so this SolDex is going to be sort of a PancakeSwap, but on Solana blockchain. Okay, so PancakeSwap has the cake, has the main token, the native token, and the SolX DEX will have the SolX token as the native token. You will have some pools. Surely I'm going to show you the pools and the farms. Obviously the project is not live yet, so you're not going to be able to say, you're going to be able to see the APRs, the percentage, the juices, right? But I will show you the platform over here on the app, and you got the long-term SolX growth, okay? Because it has a fixed total supply, so eventually, you know, the token is potentially will increase its value in the long run. And they are planning to implement the SolX router. I don't know what this is going to be about, but you know, they have plans for the future. It's not just a build, pump, and dump token. Over here, we can see the roadmap, and down at the bottom, we can see more information about the project. Okay, let's go over to the DApp. Let's see how the DApp looks like. So as you can see right here, if you are familiar with PancakeSwap, this one it's no different. So the wallets they use over here, we got lots of wallets they can pick from, but on the pink sale, he asks, oh, okay, he asks for Phantom or MetaMask. So he asks for my Phantom wallet first, but you can also use MetaMask. All right. So using a Phantom wallet is very, very similar to using a MetaMask wallet. So if you don't have one, create a Phantom wallet. It only takes about 5 minutes. If you don't know how to do it, let me know in the comment box below, and I will make a tutorial video. Okay, so you can use these wallets to connect to this DEX. Okay, over here is where you can swap your tokens. So right now, Solana is getting very famous because of all these meme tokens. They're all getting launched on Solana network, and potentially this DEX will have a bunch of meme coins. So if you like meme coins, so this is going to be one DEX that you can come off and trade your meme coins. And excuse me, if you click on farms right now, we will have two farms. So you'll have SolX paired with Sol and SolX paired with USDT. And obviously, when everything goes live, you should be able to see your APRs, your stake, your pending rewards, total volume logged, etc. And as you go along, potentially we'll have more farms in place. And staking is where you're gonna just stake one single token. In this case, we only got a SolX, and the same time we got a pending reward, stake, APR, TVL, etc. Okay, we got the NFTs that will come soon, and we got the bridge that will also come soon. So one thing that the team does is, if they say it's coming soon, it's coming soon. They have been delivering everything they have promised. Okay, so if it's coming soon, it will come soon. Okay, so going to the pink sale, if you want to join the pink sale, you come over here. I'll leave all the links in the description. There is no referrals. So if you want to join, join. If not, not. Okay, you got the white paper as well. Go ahead and check the white paper so you can fully understand how everything works if you're not familiar. So once you click on the pink sale, we'll take you to this page right here where you can find more information about the project. Okay, and we can see when the pre-sale is going to end. All right, so far they have raised 151 SOL, which is a lot, right? So if we go to CoinGecko real quick, let's check Solana. So 151 SOL, 151 SOL. So they raised 28,000 already. Okay, so 28,000. You still got 5 days to go. So the soft cap is 50k, 50 SOL, and they tripled that soft cap. Okay, so this is really good. Even though we only have 173 investors, all right, so they all are bullish. So one SOL will give you this amount of SOL access. Okay, so you got until, well, you got 5 days and 10 hours to come over here and join this pre-sale. Okay, down here we can find more information about the tokenomics and etc. And you can also see the token address right here. So do not send SOL to the token address, because otherwise you will lose it. Okay, and over here we got the tokenomics, etc. That being said, guys, I think I've covered everything that you should know about this project. I am definitely going to show some love to the team behind this project because they are doing a fantastic job. Okay, so I'm going to show them some love, and hopefully this thing is going to be the next best thing since PancakeSwap. Okay, that being said, guys, all the links going to be down in the description. By the way, guys, if you have any questions, just come over here to the TG and ask as many questions as you like. Team is always here, willing to answer your questions. That being said, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.